In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your design in Illustrator. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PNG of your artwork ready for web, presentations, or hand off to a client. With your design open in Illustrator, start by going to the top menu and choosing File, then Export, and then Export As. This opens the export dialog box where you'll decide exactly where and how your file gets saved. First, pick the folder where you want to store the file so you can find it later. It helps to keep a dedicated project folder to avoid hunting around your desktop. Next, type a clear descriptive file name. Use something that makes sense at a glance, like the project name and version. This makes it easier to identify the correct file if you export different versions. In the Format dropdown, select PNG. PNG is great because it supports transparency and keeps crisp edges on graphics, logos, and UI elements. It's a solid choice for most digital uses, especially when you want clean color and sharp lines. Before you move on, decide whether to check Use Artboards. Turn this on if you only want to export what's inside your artboard boundaries. This prevents any extra objects, guides, or elements that spill outside the artboard from sneaking into your PNG. If you're working with multiple artboards, Illustrator will export each one as its own PNG using your file name with a helpful suffix. Click Export to open the PNG options. Here you'll choose resolution, background color, and transparency. For resolution, pick a setting that matches your destination. For standard on-screen use, a lower setting like 72 ppi is usually fine. For sharper displays or high-quality previews, 150 or 300 ppi will give you crisper details, but keep in mind that higher resolution increases file size. Choose what best balances clarity and performance for your needs. For background color and transparency, decide whether your PNG needs a solid background or a see-through one. If you want your design to sit naturally over different backgrounds, choose transparent. This is ideal for logos or graphics you'll place over photos or colored layouts. If your piece needs a solid backdrop, select a background color like white or black to lock that in. Once you're happy with the options, confirm to export. Illustrator will save your PNG to the folder you chose. Take a moment to open it and check the edges, colors, and transparency at 100% zoom to ensure it looks exactly as intended. And that's it. You've successfully finished your design in Illustrator by exporting a polished PNG.